Hey guys, I will explain some question because this question has been texting me and messaging me many times, and even I saw in our Facebook groups you are asking about this. This is about cross promotions. Please listen to me. Cross promotions are good. The competitions below your listing, there is a competitions, okay? If your price is $7.99, all right, so below your listings there is another seller for $8.01 selling, another is selling for $8.99 and stuff like this, okay? This is and sometimes you got price $7.99, but there is a price for $3.39, and then there is a price for $4.15. Okay, so nobody will gonna buy from you, but we're gonna buy from them. This is what about cross promotions. If you haven't seen the video about cross promotions, go and find I have been talking about cross promotions anyway a lot. So you don't need the blueprint for cross promotions unless, listen to me, unless you have daily sales. If you have daily sales, only switch off cross promotions only when you have daily sales. If you don't have daily sales, no, let the cross promotion stay there, because this is the point of $7.99. When you are newbie, you just started up, you need those competitions, because their price, we use their prices. We use our price $7.99 and we use those higher prices. They have higher prices here. We have $7.99. If somebody will come across this seller, the buyer will gonna see under his listing your price. That's why you need them. If somebody will come across his listing for $8.01, people will gonna see under his listing your price as well. You will be somewhere here, okay? That's why we need them when we start $7.99, because our sales grows very quick then. If you switch off cross promotions for $7.99 as a newbie, as a growing account, yeah, right? I'm talking about not going like this, but I'm talking about growing account. When you grow account, you need those. You don't need off, you need on. When you do $7.99, you need on, cross promotions on, you need them. Listen, I hope now it's clear, okay? When you turn to Alpha Course teach differently. Alpha Course, we don't need them now, because we want to rock now. We want to sell for $17.99 the same. We don't need them, because if we sell with Alpha Course methods, we create our own title, our own keywords, our nice pictures, description, stuff like this. We always improve. Again, what we do, $7.99, we sell. Alpha Course, we make profit, okay? So to make a profit, you have to run away. You make sales for higher price than your competition sells the same product, okay? Your competitor sells this product for $8.01, $8.99. You sell for $17.99. That's the meaning of the Alpha Course, how to sell for higher price, not for less price, not to undercut, but how to sell for higher price. If you want to sell for higher price, you have to switch this off, switch them off, that they wouldn't be seen, okay? But this you can do only when you have a store. To have a store, you need at least 100 listing limit. 100 listing limit you need, otherwise you will not, it's no reason to have a store, okay? When you have a store with 100 listing limits, okay? At least when you reach 100 listing limits, you open a store, you switch off cross promotions, you make your titles, you make bigger profits, you run. You make progressive process, okay? Until that, as you start out as a newbie, and again, you start sell with $7.99 items. when your sales are coming, you see, oh, my sales are daily now. Okay, now baby, you are ready to go up with the profits up. Go the process, okay? So this is the difference between $7.99 and an Alpha Course. $7.99, switch on. Alpha Course, switch off. Okay, with $7.99 you don't switch off cross promotions. Because you need sales as quick as possible to get up. That's the difference. Thank you for watching, and make your sales every day. It's so easy. With $7.99, it's so easy. You don't have $7.99, under this video there is a link. Click there right now until it's there. Okay, take care. Bye bye.